Okay, so once again, hello to everyone. Today we're going to have the use of the vowel sounds and consonant sounds. All right, so I know that you have already an idea about the vowel sound and consonant sound. Okay, so in our English alphabet, we have what we call the vowel sound. We have 5 vowel sounds and 21 consonant sounds. Okay, so that you know what I'm talking about here is I'm going to show you this one. Okay, so can you see this? All right. Okay, so we have there what we call vowel sounds. How many vowel sounds we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so we have a vowel sounds here, the what we call long sound and the short sound. And long sound, we are going to pronounce A, E, I, O, U. While short sounds, A, E, O, A. Okay, so that is the sounds of the vowels. Okay. All right, so I hope you still remember the vowel sounds that we learned before. Okay, so always remember we have the 5 vowel sounds in the English alphabet. Next is what we call consonant sounds. Okay, so we have 21 consonant sounds. We have B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. While the short sounds is B, K, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, and Z. All right, so that is the short sound of these consonants. All right, so I hope you still remember and you memorize the consonant sounds. Okay, always remember we have 21 consonant sounds in English alphabet, while 5 vowels sounds we have in English alphabet. Okay, all right, so let's proceed. Okay, so we have here bird. Bird, look at the word. The word is not complete. So what are the missing sounds of the word bird? Okay, the missing sounds is B and D. B and D. Everybody read bird. Bird. Okay, so the beginning sounds of the word bird is consonant B. Consonant B. Okay, next is, oh, what is this? Elephant. We call it elephant. All right, the word elephant is not complete. So what are the missing letter or missing sounds of the word elephant? Okay, we have E and T. E and T to complete the word elephant. Everybody read elephant. Okay, so the word elephant, the beginning sounds of the word elephant is vowel sound E. E. Elephant. Okay, that is a vowel sounds. Next. Okay, what is this? Blanket. Blanket. All right, so this is a blanket. The word blanket is not complete. So what is the missing sound of the word blanket? Blanket. Yes. Consonant sound B. Blanket. Blanket. So the beginning sound of the word blanket is consonant. Very good. Okay, next is, what is this? Ant. Very good. Ant. All right, the word ant is not complete. So there are missing sounds. What are those? A and T. All right, so it's here. Ant. 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 Okay, very good. The word ant begins with vowel sounds a. All right, so let's proceed. Okay, next one is door. Okay, so the word door is not complete again. So what are the missing sounds of the word door? To make it complete. The and r. Okay, so it's here. Yes, okay, so the spelling of the word door is the o r. Door. Door. Everybody say door. All right, so what is the beginning sound of the word door? Vowel, consonant sound, the. The beginning sound of the word door is consonant the or the. All right, so that is the use of the vowel sound and consonant. All right, so I hope you understand the vowel sound and the consonant sound. Remember that we have only 5 vowels and 21 consonants. Okay? All right, so I hope you understand and I hope you will make perfect your worksheet. Okay, so goodbye and good luck. Bye-bye.